Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Bubble Mermaid Quest. First, you will need to find the designated non-player character, or NPC, who initiates this exciting adventure. It is crucial to speak with them to fully grasp the quest's objectives and any prerequisites. Make sure you have all the required items or abilities ready, as this will streamline your progress and ensure a smooth experience from start to finish. Let's dive in. To begin your Bubble Mermaid Quest, head to the specific location where the quest giver NPC resides. Once you find them, engage in a conversation and select the option to accept the quest. It is always a good idea to check your in-game quest log immediately after accepting. This log provides a comprehensive overview of your current objectives, helpful hints, and tracks your progress, ensuring you stay on the right path throughout your adventure. The Bubble Mermaid Quest will likely involve several objectives. You might need to collect a certain number of unique items scattered across the game world, or perhaps defeat a few challenging foes in specific zones. Some quests also include minigames or puzzles that require careful thought. Once you have successfully completed every single task listed in your quest log, make your way back to the original quest giver to report your success. After returning to the quest giver, engage in dialogue once more to confirm your quest completion. They will acknowledge your efforts and present you with the option to claim your reward. This could be a unique Bubble Mermaid item, a special ability, or perhaps even some valuable in-game currency. Congratulations on successfully completing the quest and earning your fantastic new addition to your collection. Enjoy your well-deserved prize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.